What's going on, guys? So I'm about to get in the tractor and use it for the first time since I installed those plungers into the injection pump. We'll get to use the tractor a little bit, break those plungers in, and kind of see how everything works. It'll be a good test run for it. What I got to do is move some of these snowbanks around. They're really not too bad, but we're supposed to get a big storm on Thursday, so I want to move some of these back a little bit. I'll probably pick the snow up here and kind of dump it over the edge. I want to back my trailer up a little bit, get that out of the way. I got to get my bucket attached, move my plow over. I want to clean some of these piles up, move them back a little bit. Same with the piles up by the road. So just kind of straighten things out a little bit, getting some things out of the way in case we get a lot of snow. So it'll be a good first test for the new plungers and see how the tractor runs here. This won't be a very long video, and I don't have my other camera with me. So what I'm going to do is just stick this one up on the cab of the tractor. So let me get the tractor fired up here, and I'll meet you guys outside. All right, guys, well, we got all that done. Got the driveway cleaned back up again. I did end up putting a plow in here just so I don't have to dig through it if we get a bunch of snow again. I put the plow in front of the tractor here, and I placed the loader up on top of it. I was going to do this before, but the only reason I didn't is because how tight it is in here. Now I can't walk around the front of my tractor, so I can only go like one way around here because my shed is so small. Everything turned out pretty good. The tractor ran really awesome. Had no problems with it. Ran nice and smooth. No issues at all with those new plungers or the injection pump. No fuel leaks, nothing like that. I checked it before I started it. Nothing on the ground, so that's good. You can see how much more open my driveway is now. So it's much, much better now, having the trailer off in the lawn there. I usually don't use it too much in the winter time, so it's fine in the lawn, and if I ever need it, I could just dig it out with the tractor. You can see here, though, I've got a lot more room now to push snow. I widened out the driveway a little bit and widened out the mouth as well. So over here where the main snow bank is, you can see I brought it back about 3-4 feet, pushed it back a little bit, and rounded it a little bit. So now I can put snow where that bank was before and kind of bring it out a little bit. It's gonna be a lot easier to plow now, having a lot of that crap out of my way, especially the trailer, because you guys remember when I plowed last time, trying to angle the plow up and around the trailer. That was kind of a pain in the butt. Plus I had my bucket that was buried in the snow as well that I was trying to plow around. So this is definitely a lot more opened up now. And I did push that pile back a little bit, the one that's over here by my fence. Clear a little path alongside the passenger side of my truck as well, so I can get up and around my truck easily if I got to clear it off. So should be all set for this big storm. We'll see if it actually turns out to be anything. If it does, you guys will be the first ones to know about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a short one. Just wanted to bring you guys along for the ride, and I wanted to have it on camera for the first time I tested those new plungers for the injection pump. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and as always, we'll see you guys in the next one.